Welcome to Dynamic Medicos. In this video, I am going to talk about appendicitis. We will see it under following headings: types of appendicitis, definition, etiology, pathogenesis, clinical features, complications, investigations, and the treatment. Let's see what are the types of appendicitis. First is acute appendicitis. Second is subacute appendicitis. Third is recurrent appendicitis. Fourth is chronic appendicitis. First, let's see the acute appendicitis in detail. What is the definition? Acute appendicitis is the acute inflammation of the appendix, typically due to an obstruction of the appendical lumen. Now let's see what are the etiology of the acute appendicitis. First is racial and dietary factors. It is common in the white race than the colored person. A diet rich in fibers like cellulose protects the person from the appendicitis. Second is familial susceptibility, long retrocecal appendix. Third is socio-economic status. It is more commonly seen in the middle class and the rich people. Fourth is obstructive theory, that is ficcolith, worm, ova, and cyst or the lymphoid hyperplasia. Fifth is non-obstructive theory, which is due to the E. coli, enterococci, proteus, pseudomonas, and the klebsiella. Let's see the pathogenesis. Closed loop obstruction is caused by a ficcolith, which leads to a swelling of the mucosal and the submucosal lymphoid tissue, which leads to a secretion of fluid intraluminally, which gives rise to intraluminal pressure, which further leads to a mucosal ischemia, and there is a bacterial overgrowth and translocation, which leads to the necrosis and the perforation. Now let's see what are the clinical features. First, what are the symptoms? There is main symptom is pain. There will be a severe colicky pain which starts in umbilical region and localized into the right iliac fossa. It is due to the inflammation of the parietal peritoneum. This is called shifting pain of acute appendicitis or the migratory pain, most reliable symptom of the acute appendicitis. Vomiting occurs once or twice due to the reflex pylospasm. It contains the stomach content. Fever is low grade, around 100 degree Fahrenheit, and indicates bacterial inflammation. Pain first followed by vomiting and then by fever is called a Murphy's triad of symptoms of acute appendicitis, also called as Murphy's syndrome. Patients have anorexia, hematuria, and the constipation. Now let's start with the signs. First is cough tenderness. Second is tenderness and the rebound tenderness are present at the McBurney's point. Rebound tenderness is called the Blumberg sign. Third is gardening and rigidity are present in the right iliac fossa. Fourth is Rawsing's sign. Fifth is hyperesthesia. Sixth is Koch-Swartz test. Seventh is Koch's obturator test. Eighth is features of generalized peritonitis. Ninth is rectal examination, and 10th is per-vaginal examination. Let's see the investigations. First is total WBC count is almost increased, about the 10,000 cells per cubic mm in most of the patient. A very high white blood cell count, more than 20,000 per cubic mm, suggests the complicated appendicitis with gangrene or perforation. Second is urine examination is mainly to rule out the urinary tract infection, hematuria, and sometimes pyluria. C-reactive protein is elevated in any inflammatory condition such as appendicitis, elevated in the first 12 hours of acute inflammatory non-specific. Plain X-ray abdomen erect is taken to rule out the perforation and the intestinal obstruction. It may show dilated small bowel loops in the right iliac fossa. Fifth is abdominal ultrasound to rule out the other causes including the gynecological causes. Ultrasound can demonstrate a compressible aperistaltic tubular organ with the thick wall. It can be used to elicit the probe tenderness. Sixth is CECT, the contrast enhanced CT scan, is the investigation of choice. Sensitivity is 90%, especially when the diagnosis is not established or the unclassical case. Scoring system. To avoid the negative appendectomies, many scoring systems have been developed considering signs, symptoms, and investigation. Most commonly used investigations is Alvarado scoring system. Symptoms: if the migrating right iliac fossa pain is there, then the score is 1. Anorexia, score 1. Nausea, vomiting, score 1. Signs like tenderness in right iliac fossa, scores 2. Rebound tenderness, score 1. Elevated temperature, scores 1. Laboratory investigation like leukocytosis, scores 2. Shift to the left, scores 1. And the sum total is 10. Score less than 5, it's not sure. Score 5 to 6 is compatible. Score 6 to 9 is probable. And score more than 9 is confirmed acute appendicitis. Now let's start the complication of the acute appendicitis. First is rupture. Second is appendicular mass. Third is perforated appendicitis. Fourth is appendicular abscess. Now let's see the treatment of the appendicitis. We will divide the treatment part of appendicitis into the 3 parts. First is simple or the early within the 48 hours. Second is delayed or the complicated. Third is the late or the recovering. Now let's see the simple or the early. In that there will be appendectomy. In the obese or the elderly woman there will be a laparoscopic treatment, and in others there will be laparoscopic or the open surgery can be done. Thanks for watching the video. Please do like, share and comment on my video and subscribe to my YouTube channel Dynamic Medicos.